dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Friends, in this video we are going to have a look at job openings from Hetero company. Friends, these are openings for freshers candidates, so let us have a look at. Coming to the job opening details, Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation's Skill AP Industry Customized Skill Training and Placement Program is organizing a recruitment drive from Hetero Drugs. Friends, let us have a look at the departments and the job role. For junior chemist, their department is production. The qualification they are looking for is B.Sc chemistry with 2017 to 2021 passed outs. The male candidates are eligible, age between 18 to 27. The salary is 1.93 lakhs per annum. So 100 openings are available for this position. Coming to the next position for quality control and quality assurance trainee, M.sc organic chemistry, analytical, integrated, industrial, instrumental. So 2018 to 2020-21 passed out candidates, male candidates are preferable. 18 to 27 is the age criteria. So 2 lakhs is the salary and the positions are 50. So coming to next job opening for engineering and maintenance trainee, ITI fitters, 2019 to 2021 passed outs, male candidates between 18 to 27 years of age. The salary is 11,000 plus bonus 200, so the number of positions are 50. Friends, coming to the interview procedure, which is a face-to-face interview, the work location is Hyderabad. So here you can see the benefits: attendance allowance of 1,000 for 25 days, night shift allowance of 1,000 4 nights, 2,000 per 8 nights, and the production allowances 500, production allowances 200. Documents required at the time of interview or Xerox copies of your resume, qualification certificates, Aadhaar card, PAN card and photos. The venue is AGL Degree and PG College, PSR Complex, opposite Tirumala Hospital, Vizianagaram. Friends, before attending this interview, you need to first of all register yourself in the following website: http://apssdc.in industry placements. For more details, you can contact the numbers which are provided on the screen for any doubts regarding the registration process. The interview date is 24th March and the reporting time is 10 a.m. So these are the details, friends. So you can contact the numbers Mr. Pavan and Mr. Trinadh and Mr. Bhaskar for any details and queries regarding the registration procedure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.